Hey YouTube, this is joined. The reason I deleted the video I recently posted because it was copyrighted, so I'll be saying another song, and it's from Community Circuit. That's called The Sound Drops in 3, 2, 1. Can you hear them? They're coming, they're in the signal, they're in my head. You're the only me. Am I the only one to be calm? This pounding in my ears is calling me to the world. The universe as the master of your fate. Can you hear the drums? Don't try to fight on it's too late. Each time, no child closes the eye, forced to behold the vortex, to be inspired or run. But as I gaze into the vastness of time, I heard the sound of drums. Can't you hear them? They're coming, they're in the signal, they're in my head. Can you hear them? They're coming, they're in the signal, they're in my head. In the first eyes, oh doctor, doctor, you have healed me. You are not alone. It took you far too long to see me. Now I lay in your arms, continue wounded in your care. I'll leave you here forever. Last of the timeless once again. Don't leave me now. Think of all we done together. Think of all the vanquished foes. Think of all we could be. It would be hell for me in prison till forever with you. No, please, you got to, please, you know what I'm saying? Please just reach out and wait. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Can you hear them? They're coming. They're in the signal. They're in my head. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified if we post another video. Anyway, this is Ozzy Joint, and I'll see you guys later.